We continue as we next discuss mechanical checks. Mechanical checks are often performed at weekly or monthly intervals. At such times, the motor is to be shut down and the circuit isolated and tagged. The purpose of performing mechanical checks is to eliminate breakdowns caused by such factors as vibration or misalignment. Proceed by ensuring that all mounting fasteners are secure and, where necessary, renew damaged or missing fasteners. Check, if visible, the condition of the cooling fan. Secure, replace, or renew any end shield and fan cover fasteners. Check the coupling alignment using the appropriate method depending on the type of coupling. Or, where applicable, check the drive belt tension and pulley alignment, again using the appropriate method. Rotate the machine by hand where possible and feel for any roughness or other aspects such as excess play in the rotor shaft bearings. If all is well, then replace any safety guards securely. It is suggested that a report sheet be made out at each inspection. This will ensure that any fault or problem can be brought to the attention of the plant supervisor or engineer. This concludes the routine maintenance program. Complete the exercise in your workbook before you continue with program number 3 of this series.